Ever thought about making money by sharing what you love? Imagine turning your enthusiasm for your favorite products into a source of income. Welcome to the wonderful world of affiliate marketing, where you can earn money by simply raving about the things you adore. Picture it. You promote a product that you genuinely love, and for every sale made through your recommendation, you earn a commission. It's like having a money tree in your backyard, no watering required, just pure enjoyment and profit. Affiliate marketing operates on a straightforward principle. You act as a middleman, guiding potential buyers to products they might fall in love with, and when they make a purchase, you get paid. Think of it as playing matchmaker, but instead of connecting people in love, you're connecting them with products they'll cherish. This industry is not just a passing trend, it's a billion-dollar powerhouse. In 2023 alone, over $9.5 billion was spent on affiliate marketing, creating a treasure chest of opportunities just waiting for you to unlock it with your unique affiliate key. Many newcomers start their journey with massive platforms like Amazon. Imagine being able to promote items you already use and love, all while earning money without the hassle of managing inventory. It's like having your cake and eating it too, but without any of the calories. However, the key to success lies in choosing the right affiliate program, much like picking the perfect toppings for your pizza. You need to discover what resonates with your audience. Is it beauty products, tech gadgets, or perhaps home decor? Finding your niche is akin to uncovering your superpower. It sets the stage for your success. But here's a little secret. You can't just throw out random links and hope for the best. Building trust is essential. You need to be reliable and genuine in your recommendations. If your audience senses sincerity in your voice, they'll be much more inclined to click on your links. It's all about nurturing relationships. Think of it like dating. Instead of flowers, you're offering valuable content that enriches their lives. So, how do you effectively promote your affiliate products? Content marketing is your best friend in this endeavor. Create engaging articles, insightful reviews, and helpful tutorials that provide real value to your audience. SEO, or search engine optimization, is another crucial aspect you should familiarize yourself with. It's like a treasure map that guides potential buyers right to your affiliate treasure trove. But while you navigate the jungle of keywords, remember to keep your content fun and informative. Don't underestimate the power of social media either. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are gold mines for affiliate marketers. Share your passions, build a community, and watch your influence grow. Your authentic voice will resonate with audiences, drawing them in. Just keep in mind that no one appreciates a spammer, so always strive to keep it real and relatable. If you have an email list, that's fantastic. Nurturing it can be incredibly beneficial. Send out newsletters filled with helpful tips, updates, and of course, your affiliate links. Just imagine your carefully crafted words traveling to inboxes, transforming casual readers into loyal customers. It's like having your very own newsletter fan club. When it comes to tools, you need a solid platform to host your content. WordPress is a popular choice among affiliate marketers, providing an ultimate playground for content creators. Plus, with management plugins, you can track your affiliate links and keep everything organized, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating compelling content. Think of it as having your own marketing assistant helping you stay on top of things. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Most affiliate marketers earn at least $1,000 a month, while top earners can rake in six figures. The potential is immense, and with commission rates ranging from 1% to over 75%, the numbers really do speak for themselves. It's like winning a lottery, but instead of relying on luck, it's all about your hard work and dedication. However, beware of common pitfalls that can trip you up. Promoting products you don't fully understand is risky business. It can erode the trust you've worked hard to build. Knowing your audience is paramount. Transparency is key. Always disclose your affiliate relationships. It's not just ethical, it builds credibility, much like being honest with your best friend. So, what's the next step on your affiliate marketing journey? Start small. Choose a niche that excites you and research affiliate programs that align with your passion. Write authentic, high-quality content that speaks directly to your audience. Engage with them genuinely and watch as your community begins to flourish. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's never too late to jump in. The digital landscape is vast and new opportunities arise every day. Think of it as a garden. With care, creativity, and consistent effort, you'll cultivate a lush landscape of income. As you explore scaling your efforts, consider diversifying your promotions. Explore multiple products and different marketing channels. Collaborate with fellow marketers to share insights and strategies. Investing in ads can also provide a significant boost to your visibility and reach. The potential for passive income in affiliate marketing is real. Many individuals have successfully carved out fulfilling careers from the comfort of their homes. All it takes is dedication, creativity, and a willingness to learn. As you embark on this journey, remember to stay committed. The road may not always be smooth, but the rewards, are worth every effort. It's like running a marathon. Instead of a medal at the finish line, you receive a paycheck. So, what are you waiting for? Take that leap into the world of affiliate marketing. Imagine the freedom you could gain, the ability to work on your terms, and watch as your passion transforms into profit. Start today, and who knows where this exciting journey might take you. Remember, affiliate marketing is like pizza. Everyone loves it, and it can be delivered right to your doorstep. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment if you liked this video. Until next time, thanks for watching.